umbrella. The hardest shape.
If I win this, I don't think I should risk it again, dude.
All right, how about this? Cut this stupid umbrella out and then just take the money. For my sanity.
For my sanity, dude.
Okay. Oh, and by the way, this one has a 10-minute timer.
Okay, it's ticking right now?
Yeah.
I already,
9 minutes and 50 seconds remain. 2 minutes. He's starting to break it off. He's starting to pull pieces off. Wait, what just happened? Oh, no. Oh.